Future recommendation. If, as it is widely argued, behavior change is the aim of health promotion, how do researchers know which particular behaviors require change within any individual setting? There have become diverse shapes of utopian thinking. However, in this course I have perfect pharmacokinetic pharmacodynamic design, focusing on what type of knowledge is recognized critical to the implementation and formulation of pharmacos utopia. We demand to inform how individual ingredients are collected to shape the construction of the biological frameworks, how these interacting ingredients can manufacture complicated framework behaviors, and how alterations in situations may dynamically change these attitudes. Although more precise biological measurements are essential, what will really transform clinical experiments is to insert technologies that have been unattainable to measure in people until now. Hopefully, animal models, when cautiously picked, conducted and designed, are an essential section of any translational medication improvement design. Their translational work can be further supported when integrated with other translational instruments like biomarkers, quantitative frameworks, pharmacology, or experiential clinical trials.